Earlier, we told you about a revolutionary new cancer drug that's helping people with pancreatic cancer live longer. To learn more about the drug, Dr. Audrey Kam from Rush Medical Center joins us here at 4. Doc, thanks so much for being here. You treat gastrointestinal cancers like pancreatic. Walk us through what makes them so hard to treat first.
So they're really hard to treat because, well, one, there is no standard screening method for the general population, and they don't really produce symptoms early on. So when patients are coming to clinic, unfortunately, the cancer has typically spread or metastasized, making it very difficult to treat. And for decades, all we had was chemotherapy, and we were not able to target any of the mutations or alterations in pancreatic cancer.
But that has changed now, right? At least we think maybe with this new drug, and I want to make sure I get it right. Daraxonrasib, is that how you pronounce it? And walk us through how big.
Daraxonrasib.
That's the word people are going to be going to their doctors with here after seeing interviews like this. How revelatory is this?
This is an amazing breakthrough. It was a large phase 3 study with 500 patients with metastatic pancreatic cancer in the second-line setting. And compared to chemotherapy, the median overall survival was doubled from 6.7 months to 13.2 months. This is unheard of in pancreatic cancer. Numbers like this we don't typically see, and it provides a lot of promise and hope for our patients.
And so what we need to be clear on, though, is that it is still in the trial stages, right? It is not out there in a big way.
So it is currently under review by the FDA. They have allowed for an expanded access program. So we are applying for the expanded access at Rush, actually, to get drug before the formal FDA approval. But I imagine in the next several months, this likely would be approved by the FDA.
That's what I was going to ask you. So it's months, not weeks, but not years either. So come the fall, we might be able to, I mean, a lot of folks who are dealing with pancreatic cancer, time is critical. We're talking about, a shorter amount of time than we'd like. So that's kind of what we should be zeroing in on, that amount of time.
Yes, and hopefully with expanded access, we could get drug to our patients soon.
Now, let me ask you this. When we're talking about these kind of advancements, which are really unbelievable, are we going to see more and more of this kind of advancement with AI and the sort of the growth of cancer research? I mean, walk me through whether this is sort of the beginning of a new normal.
I think personalized medicine is making its way to pancreas cancer, other tumor types. Pancreas was kind of left behind, the child that was left behind. But we are getting there with pancreas cancer. The first is daraxonrasib, which is a inhibitor of the RAS protein. But there are other targeted therapies, including vaccine therapies, and certainly AI will help to expedite a lot of these new developments.
Exciting times. Thank you, Dr. Audrey Kam from Rush Medical Center. We really appreciate you making time for us on this such critically important topic. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.